Today's topic is, fossil fuels are the main source of energy around the world today. In some countries, the use of alternative sources of energy is replacing fossil fuels. Is this a positive or negative development? The transition from fossil fuels to alternative sources of energy is a topic that generates significant debate. While there are advantages and disadvantages to this shift, many argue that it is a positive development overall. In this essay, we will explore the positive aspects of using alternative sources of energy and discuss why this transition is beneficial. Firstly, relying less on fossil fuels and embracing alternative energy sources has several environmental benefits. Fossil fuels, such as coal and oil, contribute to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which are major contributors to climate change. By transitioning to cleaner energy sources like solar, wind, or hydroelectric power, countries can reduce their carbon footprint and mitigate the harmful effects of climate change. This shift promotes sustainability and helps preserve the planet for future generations. Secondly, embracing alternative sources of energy fosters technological innovation and economic growth. The development and implementation of renewable energy technologies create new job opportunities and stimulate economic activity. Countries investing in renewable energy infrastructure can attract investments, create green jobs, and enhance their energy independence. This shift can also reduce the dependence on foreign oil imports and provide greater energy security. Furthermore, alternative energy sources often offer long-term cost advantages. While the initial investment in renewable energy infrastructure may be high, the operational costs tend to be lower compared to fossil fuel-based energy systems. Renewable energy is derived from abundant natural resources that are freely available, unlike fossil fuels that require extraction and refinement processes. Over time, the use of alternative sources of energy can lead to cost savings and more stable energy prices, benefiting both consumers and businesses. However, it is important to acknowledge that transitioning from fossil fuels to alternative sources of energy also presents challenges. The intermittency and variability of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, require effective energy storage and grid management solutions. Additionally, the infrastructure needed to harness and distribute alternative energy may require significant investment and planning. These challenges should be addressed to ensure a smooth and efficient transition. In conclusion, the shift from fossil fuels to alternative sources of energy is widely seen as a positive development. It offers environmental benefits, promotes technological innovation and economic growth, and can lead to long-term cost advantages. While challenges exist, such as addressing intermittency and investing in infrastructure, The overall impact of transitioning to alternative energy sources is beneficial for the environment, economy, and future generations. Governments, industries, and individuals should continue to support and accelerate this transition to create a sustainable and cleaner energy future. Please share and subscribe.